writing can be a daunting task, but it doesn't have to be. In this video, we're going to dive deep into some fantastic writing and essay tips that will not only help you boost your writing game but also make the process enjoyable. We'll explore proven strategies to craft compelling introductions, body paragraphs that flow seamlessly, and conclusions that leave a lasting impact. Plus, I'll share some insider secrets to make your essays stand out and impress your professors or readers. But that's not all. Throughout the series, we'll answer some of the most common writing questions, like how to beat writer's block, and how to cite sources effectively. You'll leave each episode armed with valuable knowledge and newfound confidence in your writing abilities. Without further ado, let's embark on this writing journey together. Ready? Let's get started. Here are some general essay and writing tips. Understand the prompt. Always make sure you fully understand the essay prompt or topic before you start writing. If you have any doubts, seek clarification from your instructor or supervisor. Plan your essay. Before you start writing, create an outline or a plan for your essay. This will help you organize your thoughts and ensure a logical flow in your writing. Thesis statement. Craft a clear and concise thesis statement that outlines the main argument or point of your essay. This should be included in your introduction. Introduction. Write a compelling introduction that grabs the reader's attention and provides context for your essay. Your introduction should also include your thesis statement. Body paragraphs. Each body paragraph should focus on a single point or idea that supports your thesis statement. Start each paragraph with a topic sentence, provide evidence or examples, and then explain how the evidence supports your thesis. Transition sentences. Use transition sentences between paragraphs to ensure a smooth and logical flow between ideas. Evidence and examples. Support your arguments with relevant evidence and examples. This could include data, quotes from experts, or real-life examples. Cite sources properly. If you're using external sources, make sure to cite them correctly according to the citation style required, e.g., APA, MLA, Chicago. Conciseness. Be concise in your writing. Conciseness. Proofreading and editing. Always proofread and edit your essay before submitting it. Look for errors in grammar, punctuation, and spelling. You can also check for clarity and coherence. Avoid plagiarism. Make sure to properly attribute ideas and words that are not your own. Plagiarism can have serious consequences. Revise and rewrite. Don't be afraid to revise and rewrite parts of your essay if necessary. Writing is a process, and the first draft is rarely perfect. Seek feedback. If possible, have someone else read your essay and provide feedback. Fresh eyes can catch errors or suggest improvements. Manage your time. Don't leave your essay until the last minute. Effective time management is crucial for producing a well-thought-out essay. Stay organized. Keep all your notes, drafts, and research organized. This will make it easier to reference sources and revise your work. Read widely. Reading widely on a variety of topics can improve your writing skills and provide you with a broader range of knowledge to draw upon in your essays. Practice writing. The more you write, the better you'll become. Practice writing regularly to hone your skills. Stay focused. Minimize distractions when you're writing. Find a quiet and comfortable place to work. Stay true to your voice. While following essay conventions is important, don't lose your unique voice and perspective in your writing. Stay informed. Stay informed about current events and relevant topics in your field of study. This can help you write more informed and engaging essays. And that's a wrap for today's episode on writing and essay tips. I hope you found these insights valuable and that they'll help you on your writing journey. Thank you once again for spending your valuable time with us. Remember, every word you write is a step toward your goals, so keep writing, keep learning, and keep inspiring the world with your unique voice.